Ken, let's talk about Verizon and a specific experience. You touched on the fact that you all have visibility and lots of experiences across the government interagency, and you certainly do in the private sector as well. Give us an example that you'd like to highlight.
Absolutely. So I have had the pleasure of interfacing with the United States Postal Service for quite some time. We have been providing their customer experience platform, and
Very big organization, I might add.
yes, it is. And interesting pieces. When we looked at customer experience, we typically only think about outside, but in reality, a lot of that customer experience is internal. Anything from when you call the IT help desk and you need help, all the way to somebody calling and saying, "What is my package?" or "Can I buy stamps?" So when you think about the customer experience platform for the Postal Service, you're really talking about 11 different contact centers within the environment. Obviously, the one that is the most visible is the 1-800-USPS. So we have taken them from a journey where we had that platform running on site, and now we are pretty much about almost 90% moving them into a cloud-based platform. And everything that entails on that migration from, the benefits of the computing and elasticity, Postal Service gets really busy at the end of the year as they have to handle a massive amount of, number of packets, right? But after January 15, that goes down. So therefore, that means that the benefits of the elasticity that, the cloud has to provide, right? But as part of this journey, it's been also introducing and allowing them to benefit from AI, virtual agents, and any of those flows that would allow a end user to interface with them without necessarily having to talk to a real agent. As we know, folks that are facing external agents are they're very precious capital. So therefore, there are certain flows that belong into somebody just going and getting the information they need and out. So as part of the journey, it's been really good to see the evolution, not just of how the integrations are made when you are making integrations into a customer experience platform and you are on site. It is quite easier than if you are going to be taking those away from within the boundaries of the physical boundaries and take them into a virtual boundary within the cloud. So all of these have made it for us to have a really good journey for them, where we are pretty much almost there, completed, and they have never skipped a beat through this process. So moving them to the cloud, helping them implement AI, and we continue to figure out any other ways that we can help them not only provide really top-notch experience for the end users and internal users, but also explore any new ways to unlock efficiencies and optimization of processes.
A tectonic shift in that technology being introduced, and really a tectonic shift in the capability that you're going to be able to provide both internal employees and external customers. So really looking forward to that, and seeing that incorporated into these various platforms is amazing.
But you said something earlier, and that is very important. When you call in chat and you want to elevate that call into an agent, you want that to be seamless. That concept of an omni-channel consistency is so important for our experience as a user. That you authenticate yourself once. Hey, I am Luke McCormick, and I am calling because I need to do this. And somebody else can pick up that you, in fact, have been the same, identity through, moving from chat into voicemail or into
100%.
That is so critical, and that is something else that we have achieved at the Postal Service.